This storm, Harvey, is going to be known not only for the intensity of the system with its initial landfall, but the fact that it lingered. It's going to linger for days over Texas. It could reemerge over the Gulf and actually re-intensify and then affect a larger part of the coast. So what this means is that, especially from a rainfall perspective, we are predicting an extreme event here with rainfall totals of 24 to 35, 36 inches of rain associated with this storm in parts of Texas and very heavy amounts approaching Louisiana later in the weekend. So the fact that this storm is going to linger is going to lend itself to the catastrophic nature of the impacts associated with this storm. This storm is going to have very high risk factors in terms of the wind as the storm makes its initial landfall late tonight or early Saturday. The surge, especially from the Corpus, Christi area up towards Victoria and beyond, very strong surge associated with this in the 6 to 12 foot range. We have very heavy rainfalls predicted with this particular storm. 2 to 3 feet of rain, catastrophic rains expected over a large area of Texas, and then that heavy rainfall is expected to be moving northeast towards Louisiana and maybe even extreme southwest Mississippi as this storm circulates around Texas and then starts moving up the coast or out into the Gulf again later in the weekend. We're approaching the time of the year in which these types of storms can readily develop in the tropics, in part related to the warming ocean and in part related to the upper air conditions which are conducive to hurricane development. Right now we have the optimal conditions for the formation of these storms in the western Gulf of Mexico, with especially a warm body of water that had been forming over the past week or past several weeks in the western Gulf. So the combination of the very warm waters and deep warmth in the western Gulf of Mexico and the upper air conditions are lending themselves to the development of Harvey and the rapid intensification that we have seen over the past day.